This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You need to verify prerequisites fast. Confirm your iPhone model and iOS version support Apple Pay, and make sure your card and bank allow digital wallet use. Once checked, restart the phone and toggle airplane mode to reset radios. This clears transient network glitches. Next, sign out of your Apple ID and sign back in to refresh account tokens. This often resolves authorization mismatches. Make sure date and time are set automatically. Incorrect time can break secure connections and payment validation. Now you'll focus on the wallet and card flow. Open wallet, remove the failing card, then re-add it to force a fresh provisioning. During re-add, follow card verification prompts, use SMS codes or the bank app. Sometimes a phone call to the issuer clears holds. Once added, test NFC by tapping a contactless terminal or using Apple Pay in Safari. This confirms the phone's secure element is functioning. If a tokenization error appears, make sure you have the latest carrier settings and a stable cellular or Wi-Fi link. Finish by applying system fixes. Install any iOS and carrier updates and reset network settings to clear stubborn configs. This preserves data but removes saved Wi-Fi. If the problem persists, contact your bank to check for blocked tokens or account flags, and contact Apple support if the secure element appears faulty. As a last resort, back up your device, perform an erase and restore, then reconfigure Apple Pay. Troubleshooting tip: if you see repeated authorization failures, try a different card to isolate bank versus device issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.